If you don't know how to shift the graph of a function vertically and horizontally, I highly recommend watching my previous video. Today we are going to combine shifting graphs vertically and horizontally. Let's look at the function f of x equals x squared from our previous video. Recall that we shifted the graph 3 units down by subtracting 3 from the function notation. And we shifted the graph 4 units to the left by plugging in x plus 4 instead of x. Now, how can we combine these two movements? That's simple. We just do both at the same time. We shift the graph 3 units down by subtracting 3 from the function notation. And we shift the graph 4 units to the left by plugging in x plus 4 instead of x. So we get I of x equals x plus 4 in parentheses squared minus 3. The best way to graph this shifted parabola is to start with the vertex of the parent function parabola. Recall that the parent function parabola is the simplest parabola f of x equals x squared, which has its vertex at the origin 0, 0. To find the vertex of the graph of the function I of x equals x plus 4 in parentheses squared minus 3, we move 4 units to the left and 3 units down. By the way, because of that, this is also called the vertex form of the parabola. Let's do one more example for the sake of practice and look at the cubic function f of x equals x cubed. And shift the graph of this function 1 unit up and 2 units to the left. I really encourage you to pause the video and try this on your own. Recall that we shift the graph 1 unit up by adding 1 to the function notation. If we would graph this function now, it would look like this. And the function notation would look like this. So the only thing which is left to do is to shift the graph 2 units to the left, which we do by plugging in x plus 2 instead of x. Note that addition shifts the graph to the left and subtraction shifts the graph to the right. Again, combining these two functions gives us I of x equals x plus 2 in parentheses cubed plus 1. We shifted the graph of the cubic function f of x equals x cubed 1 unit up and 2 units to the left by adding a 1 to the function notation and by plugging in x plus 2 instead of x. If you like my videos, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy learning everyone.